much similar to Ariana Grande's ponytail, but somehow Bella Hadid looks really different with her hairstyle. Maybe because she has short hair, but then I will end up looking like Ariana Grande because I have long hair. I don't know. Let's see if we can like do something. So always before like any hairstyle, I love to use some sort of like serum. So this is like, or maybe a leave-in hair conditioner, anything that will give texture to your hair. It can be a hair cream as well. So this is a very affordable one. This is Hair and Care Silk and Shine. I also use the Livon one. So yeah, I really love hair products. Like I love to apply them to my hair every freaking day, and I think this has like reduced the damage to my hair. And also this is like an instant shine to your hair. So yeah, I invest on some like hair serum. My hair needs it, especially me because I use heat. Although I am taking a break from heat, but today I'm gonna use some heat. After that, I think if you like haven't like straightened out your hair, then you have to straighten out your hair. My hair is like partially straightened, like I haven't straightened it properly, but yeah, straighten out your hair. I don't think you need to straighten out the front layers because these are going to be clipped, so just make sure that your hair is like slightly straightened. What am I even talking about? And seriously, I'm just gonna tie the ponytail. So for that, my foundation is not blend. Okay, so for that, I'm taking this hair brush or comb, whatever, and I'm gonna make a side part. So okay, that was smooth. Okay, make sure that you have a longer section of hair at the front. So I have like kept this section like separate. I've just added a clip, or you can also add a garter. So now basically I'll just style a ponytail. I am so serious today. Generally I'm not so serious. I don't know, I'm not in the mood. Like I'm very pissed, maybe because like my periods it's coming, I don't know. I'm very pissed. Oh god. So I am tying like a very high ponytail. Like literally it's really high, but I'm just trying to make it like look like a Bella Hadid like ponytail, and also this will just help me to make my hair look shorter. I wish I had short hair. I really want a nice bob, but literally scared to cut my hair. So there guys, I'm just gonna tie this ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna tie this ponytail and come back to you because I need to like see the mirror and tie it. So wait. Okay, so I tied the ponytail. It's really high. I don't know how people wear high ponytails. Honestly, I really love like a high ponytail, but literally this portion hurts. So I don't know how people can wear a high ponytail for hours. Like this is giving me a headache. You'll take a piece of hair, a longer piece of hair. So yeah, and you're gonna tie this around the ponytail, the garter portion. Not only it covers the garter, but also tying a hair around the garter makes the ponytail more secure, more tight, and therefore more headaches. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna tie this. Okay. To secure it with a bobby pin. You might think that you're done, but you're not done. Now comes the work of some gel, which I don't have, hairspray, I don't have, hair serum I have, but I think water will work the best. Spraying some water on my hair. Take a toothbrush. I don't brush my teeth with this toothbrush, don't worry. And you see, it's perfect. No flyaways. There's a change in lighting because I switched off the light. I wanted to see how pin right at the back of my ear first. There's literally no sunlight. Okay, I'm gonna try it and make it work. Okay. Make it all even. Take your time, make it even. Use your hairspray. If you don't have hairspray, use water, but make the front section even. I'm not going to straighten out the back portion of my hair. I really like the way it is, like, messy. Okay. And now I'm just gonna pin up at the back. I don't know how Bella Hadid posed for this picture. My literally shoulder hurts. I don't know how to pose for this picture. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna keep on trying. Okay, boom bam. My hand hurts. I can't. I think both of the hairstyles are like similar. Ariana Grande's and Bella Hadid's. Basically high ponytails. The difference is their like face shape. Bella Hadid has a very snatched face. Bella Hadid's face is like really snatched, or maybe her eyes are really snatched, and also she has went through like a lot of facial surgeries. I mean, this is Bella Hadid's real face, and this is Bella Hadid now, so the surgeries are quite evident. She looks really beautiful, really beautiful, but that's because of the surgeries. She is herself really beautiful, but I meant to say like she looks snatched like that just because of the surgeries and a lot of diet. So of course I don't have a diet. I eat everything. So this is basically like recreating Ariana Grande hairstyle, because they both wear the same hairstyle. Only difference is here that Ariana Grande loves to wear the longest hair extensions to have the longest ponytails, and Bella Hadid's is like the high ponytail on her natural hair, no extensions, or maybe some extensions. But yeah, I am getting like 100% Ariana Grande vibe. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like more such videos. Like if you would like to watch more such videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And till then, take care.